If you're installing Kali Linux in VirtualBox and suddenly get this error saying an error has occurred during virtual machine execution, don't worry. This is actually a very simple fix. If you click details, you'll see the error vir disk full, which means the drive where your virtual machine is stored has run out of free space. You don't need to reinstall Kali or start over. First, close the error message, then open VirtualBox, right-click your Kali virtual machine and click Show in Explorer. Now, look at the address bar at the top. This tells you which drive your virtual machine is stored on. In my case, it's on the C drive. As you can see, my C drive has 0 bytes of free space, so VirtualBox can't continue writing to the virtual disk. Now, free up some storage, you can delete unnecessary files or uninstall programs you no longer use from the control panel. If you want to uninstall multiple programs more easily, you can also use a tool like IOBit uninstaller. After freeing around 10 GB or more, go back to the VirtualBox window, close the virtual machine window, and choose Save the Machine State. Wait until VirtualBox finishes saving. Once it's done, start the Kali virtual machine again. It will automatically resume from where it left off, and this time the installation should continue without the disk full error. And that's it. It's a simple fix that saves you from reinstalling Kali Linux from the beginning.